Today on the New Tech Machinery YouTube channel, we'll look back at the videos we released this past year. This is the best portable roll forming videos of 2020. Welcome to the best portable roll forming videos of 2020. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to our YouTube channel or taken the time to comment and make suggestions. 2020 was a year that was anything but ordinary. It's taken all industries and businesses to come together to adapt, learn, and grow through our experiences. Here at New Tech Machinery, we pride ourselves on helping contractors learn how portable roll forming machines can help them grow their business, assist machine operators with the information they need to use their machine or troubleshoot common problems, and provide educational content that helps anyone new to this industry understand the ins and outs of portable roll forming and how it's used in metal construction. We had some great video projects in 2020. First up, our gutter installation series. In these videos, Jens and Max with Multiform Gutters walk through the process of installing gutters on a house with and without fascia boards. In both videos, they use the Nasser MultiPro gutter machine and demonstrate how to measure the gutter, prepare outlets with high flow funnels, set up the proper slope, downpipe locations, apply sealant, and more. Another popular set of videos were our 2020 price and cost videos for roof panel and gutter machines. The cost and price of portable roll forming machines are some of our most asked questions, so it's important that we covered what factors affect the price of a portable roof panel or gutter machine and what to consider when buying a new or used machine. Last but not least, if you're a seamless gutter machine owner, we've got just the video series for you. Your machine manual is one of your most valuable tools, but we understand it can be difficult to read through while you're trying to do something on your machine. That's why we produced a set of tutorial videos on doing a changeover from 5-inch to 6-inch and 6-inch to 5-inch on the Mach 2 5-inch and 6-inch combo machine. In these videos, we'll guide you through all the steps for each changeover, and you can follow along in your machine manual for more detailed instructions. If you haven't already, check out our New Tech Machinery YouTube channel for more videos on troubleshooting common portable roll forming machine problems, customer testimonials, what you need to know about machine service, and so much more. Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new video, and we look forward to seeing you all again in 2021 with brand new content. Have a happy holiday and a safe and healthy new year.